risk is that you'll go insane. The only risk is that you'll go insane.
Enjoyed it, Haydon?
You just drop in and just smack the lip, whoop-ah, drop down, snap, ah, and then after that, you just drop in, just ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted.
Yeah, those waves are good.